Diesel engines have always been known for their strength, durability, and ability to keep running under tough conditions. At the center of that reliability is the fuel injection pump, a part that often doesn't get the attention it deserves. One of the most trusted designs in this category is the VP44 diesel fuel injection pump, specifically the version compatible with the 4HK1600P engines, with part numbers 0470504026 and 109342-1007. This is a component that does far more than most people realize. While it doesn't sit on the outside where you can admire it, its impact is felt every time the engine turns over. If you've got a truck or vehicle running the 4HK1600P engine, this pump is the heartbeat of your fuel system. Without a healthy injection pump, power drops, efficiency suffers, and performance problems quickly follow. So what makes this part such an important piece of technology? It all comes down to precision. A diesel engine works differently than a gas engine. Instead of mixing fuel and air before combustion, diesel relies on very high compression and fuel being injected directly into the combustion chamber. That injection has to be carefully timed, pressurized, and controlled. The VP44 pump does all of that, making sure every stroke of the piston gets the exact amount of fuel it needs, at exactly the right moment. Older pumps were purely mechanical. They worked fine for their time, but they lacked the adaptability needed for modern engines. The VP44 combines mechanical toughness with electronic controls, creating a balance of strength and precision. Built-in sensors and an electronic control unit allow it to adjust fuel delivery based on real-time conditions. That means smoother operation, better acceleration, improved fuel economy, and reduced emissions compared to outdated systems. Durability is another highlight. This isn't a lightweight part that you swap out casually. It's designed to withstand the extreme stress of diesel operation, constant vibrations, intense pressure, and high heat levels. The construction meets OEM specifications, which ensures it fits exactly as intended on 4HK1600P engines. No modifications, no guessing games, just a straightforward replacement that restores engine performance. When a pump starts to fail, the signs are obvious. Hard starts, poor fuel mileage, excessive exhaust smoke, and loss of power are all warning signals. Many drivers also notice inconsistent idling or stalling. By replacing a worn-out unit with a new VP44, these issues are eliminated, and the engine returns to delivering the performance it was built for. Think about the impact this has on daily operation. For businesses relying on diesel-powered trucks, downtime is one of the most expensive problems. A truck off the road means deliveries delayed, schedules thrown off, and money lost. A dependable injection pump like the VP44 reduces those risks by giving engines the reliable fueling they need. The result is less downtime, longer service intervals, and better productivity for fleets and independent operators alike. There's also the financial side to consider. Some people try to save money by going with cheaper, low-quality pumps. The problem is that those pumps often fail quickly, sometimes damaging other parts of the fuel system in the process. What looks like savings up front can end up costing far more in repairs and replacements. A high-quality VP44 pump is an investment in the engine's future, protecting injectors, lines, and even the engine itself from damage caused by poor fuel delivery. Emissions are another factor that can't be ignored. A failing fuel injection pump doesn't just hurt performance, it leads to incomplete combustion. That means more smoke, more pollutants, and possible compliance problems in areas with strict emission standards. By maintaining precise fuel delivery, the VP44 helps engines run cleaner, keeping exhaust within acceptable limits while still delivering the power needed to move heavy loads. Another benefit worth highlighting is how this pump improves overall driving experience. With a healthy VP44, engines start quickly, even in cold weather. Throttle response is